Welcome to Echoes of Nature. Today, we're delving underground to explore the extraordinary world of the naked mole rat. This hairless, pink-skinned wonder is packed with unique traits that defy expectations. Let's dive into 5 amazing facts about this one-of-a-kind creature. At number 1, hairless and pink. The naked mole rat is nearly hairless, with pink, wrinkled skin perfectly adapted to its life in dark underground burrows. At number 2, lives like an insect. Unlike most mammals, naked mole rats live in colonies with a social structure similar to ants and bees, including a single breeding queen. At number 3, resistant to cancer, scientists have discovered that naked mole rats are nearly immune to cancer, thanks to a unique sugar called hyaluronan in their cells. At number 4, survives without oxygen. These rodents can survive up to 18 minutes without oxygen by switching their metabolism to use fructose instead of glucose. At number 5, longest living rodent. Naked mole rats live exceptionally long for rodents, often reaching ages of 30 years, far surpassing their furry relatives. The naked mole rat is truly one of nature's marvels, with traits that challenge what we think is possible for mammals. If you enjoyed learning about this underground oddity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Echoes of Nature. Let us know in the comments which fascinating animal you'd like us to explore next.